Founded in 2003, Jinhuan Construction Group Company, Limited, is a leading integrated steel structure enterprise specializing in design, fabrication, construction, and EP contracting. It is the only company in Hebei Province ranked among China's top 50 most competitive steel structure enterprises. Jinhuan has become a benchmark and leader in the industry's transformation and upgrading, delivering high-end, premium quality, and internationally recognized projects. Jinhuan operates 4 steel structure production bases in Shijiazhuang, Hundai, and Houston, USA, along with general contracting and design centers in Beijing and Shanghai. It is the only enterprise in China to set up steel structure production bases in the USA. Overseas, Jinhuan holds the world's top steel structure certification, with the AISC certification, CWB certification, and EN1090EXC4 certification. It is one of the very few steel structure companies in China that has 3 international certifications at the same time, and has become the only steel structure company in China to enter the mainstream construction market in the United States and Canada. Jinhuan has expert talents in the fields of construction and steel structure, has introduced a large number of high-quality masters and doctoral talents, and has trained a group of senior professional talents, such as registered structural engineers and registered builders. It has international welding engineers and European welding technicians certified by the International Welding Association and the German Welding Association, as well as senior welding inspectors and various inspection personnel certified by the American Welding Society and the American Society for Non-Destructive Testing. More than 100 welders have international welding technology certifications such as American Standards and European Standards, creating a team of technicians capable of undertaking international steel structure projects. Jinhuan continues to introduce digital, intelligent, and characteristic processing equipment, which is suitable for large-scale high-precision special component processing and production. It has multiple automated production lines such as 9-axis intelligent welding robots, bridge deck welding machines, and mobile assembly machines. At the same time, it has several intelligent processing equipment such as CNC high-speed double-sided drills and CNC flame hyperbolic cutting machines. Processing equipment such as large-diameter steel pipe cold bending machines and double-sided steel plate milling machines have been purchased, equipped with high-precision 0.5-second total stations, and high-precision measurement analysis and simulation pre-assembly software and other testing equipment. We have independently developed equipment such as parts grinders and 1,300-ton hydraulic presses, which effectively ensure product quality and production efficiency. The projects undertaken by Jinhuan are mainly in the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei region, radiating to many regions and entering mainstream construction markets such as the United States and Canada. Representative projects include the National Exhibition and Convention Center, Tianjin, Hebei Olympic Sports Center, Beijing China World Trade Center, Shijiazhuang Kaiyong Global Center, and other projects. Overseas representative projects include Sophie Stadium in Los Angeles, Intuit Dome in Los Angeles, Zurich Insurance, North America headquarters, American Dreams Water Park in New Jersey, McDonald Island Park Canopy in Canada, Miami Canopy in Florida, Rapper Tower Office Building in Los Angeles, Oceanwide Building in Los Angeles, Adama Industrial Park in Ethiopia, and other projects. Jinhuan insists on improvement and innovation, focusing on quality, efficiency, technology, and management to create value for customers. It has become the only company in China that organizes production according to American standards, and the only company in China that has passed American standard certification with 0 unqualified items for 7 consecutive years. The company strictly implements process management and records the entire process from material entry to product delivery. Each process is traceable, achieving full process quality assurance. Complex components are pre-assembled in the workshop. It is the first in the industry to introduce computer 3-dimensional simulation assembly technology to improve measurement accuracy, effectively ensuring that the production and processing accuracy of complex components is controlled within 1 to 2 at an ultra-high industry level. The Sophie Stadium project undertaken by Jinhuan is the most influential public construction project in the United States in 20 years. It mainly hosts the main venue for the opening and closing ceremonies of the 2028 Olympic Games in the United States, as well as large-scale events such as the Super Bowl and the FIFA World Cup. It exceeds China's bird's nest in terms of building scale, construction difficulty, and quality requirements. Jinhuan undertook the processing and production of the most complex steel structure of the stadium roof in the project and completed the component processing task with high standards, controlling the deviation within 1 to 2, and the bolt perforation rate reached 99.99%, exceeding the owner's expectations. The Intuit Dome project in Los Angeles, USA, has become the home of the Clippers after completion. Jinhuan mainly undertakes the processing and production of the multi-layer reticulated shell structure of this project. It is the first high-level exposed steel structure project in China. Jinhuan solves the difficulties of curved surface modeling, complex nodes, high exposure level, and wall thickness welding, and has been highly praised by owners and partners. The Convention and Exhibition Center, Tianjin, undertaken by Jinhuan in China, is the third largest international convention and exhibition center in the country after Guangzhou and Shanghai. Jinhuan successfully completed the most complex 32 umbrella structures of the Central Hall, winning wide acclaim in the industry. Jinhuan has an industry-leading technical team to provide the best technical solutions. The Wrapper Tower office building, known as the most creative office in Los Angeles, undertakes the manufacture of complex ring-belt steel structures with curved shapes, complex nodes, and high seismic requirements. Xiang-Chenba River No. 2 Bridge, China's largest hybrid cable-stayed bridge, won the Gold Award for steel structure. Shijiazhuang Heping Road Viaduct, crossing the Beijing-Guangzhou railway line, Jinhuan completed the rotation work within 1 hour. The coal storage workshop of the Salachi dedicated line adopts the cumulative sliding construction method with column hydraulic jacking, and the sliding distance is the longest in Asia. Quality assurance, win-win cooperation, century-old enterprise giving back to society has been the development purpose of Jinhuan for 20 years. Jinhuan will take the leader of customer value creation in the construction industry and build a Jinhuan brand with international influence as its vision, adhere to business and management innovation, and achieve sustainable development of the enterprise.